Tikifez Comics. Today, I want to do a kind of supplemental art activity for anybody who might be looking for something to do while you're quarantined. This activity is a favorite of my sister's, Mary Helen Harper, and she showed it to me. I just loved it. I thought it was fun. So we're going to do something a little bit different, but let me show you this way of doing an artwork. You're going to love it. So this is my artist studio. This is my drawing table where I draw things like pages from Quest for the Golden Butterfly Episode 2, which I'm working on right now. What we're going to do today for our supplemental activity is a drawing like this. Which is pretty easy to do. Let me just show you. What you're going to need is a pen and a piece of paper. You put the piece of paper down, put your hand on top of it, take the pen and trace around it. I like to use a pen because I don't have to worry about making any mistakes. If I make a mistake, I'm stuck with it and I just have to figure out a way to make it work. If you use a pencil, you're always drawing something and erasing it and drawing something and erasing it and drawing something and erasing it, trying to get it perfect. Finished is better than perfect. And it doesn't matter whether your paper is up and down or side to side, whichever you want. We're going to trace out our hand. Alright, now try to go kind of carefully with it. I gotta hand it to you. I'm sorry I got that joke at the second-hand store. And then what we're going to do is we're going to draw a face on each one of these fingers. Now, what kind of faces are we going to draw? Well, you're just going to look at the fingers and figure out what kind of face you think should be there. Maybe you want to do, I don't know, a tiki face. You can add ears. You can add beards. Of course, if you ask me, a tiki definitely needs to have a fez. Maybe a fez with a tassel. I don't know his name, but his fez looks familiar. Alright, how about another over here? Doesn't have to be anything fancy. How about some ears? How about some hair? How about a tie? Got over here. Does it have to be a person? No. Could it be a one-eyed space alien? Sure. Could it have an antenna? Absolutely. Could it have some sort of insignia on a space costume? Sure, why not? Can it have tentacles? Oh yeah. Can it be an animal face, like a dog face? Sure. Can it have its tongue sticking out? Absolutely. Good dog, Spot. Could it be... Ooh, that's a mean kind of eye. We've already established that. Could it be... a mean, scary dinosaur? Looks like, yeah. do anything else to it? Sure, if you want to. Now we can take our crayons and color it. Or you can take watercolors and paint it, or you can use colored pencils and color it if you want. If you'd like to, once you get it colored, send me a picture of it. I'd love to see it. You can send it to us right here, tikifezcomics@excite.com. I'd love to see it. Maybe I'll put some of yours on our next video. Thanks. Wash your hands. Be kind to each other. Stay well. We'll get through this together. See you next time.